Hello everyone. It's been probably a week since I did an update video on the Miata. As you can tell, maybe it's not in the garage anymore. It's not sitting on jack stands. We've got the motor back in it, transmission, drive shaft, rear end, wheels and tires. Let's hop out and take a look at this because it actually looks pretty sweet. Dang! So it's all back together. It even runs. I've even done a burnout. What we have going on though is we're battling oil pressure issues, and I'm just going to show you because I figure that's probably our best bet. Also, it sounds really good. Got the exhaust on there. Let's just see what she does here for you. Got my oil pressure gauge put in since I'm having issues. Hey, awesome, we got great oil pressure. But after you let it run and it starts warming up, the gosh darn needle just keeps dropping, and it'll drop and drop and drop all the way down to 0 at idle. So it seems like we're probably going to pull an oil pump today and see if a new high volume oil pump helps solve the issue. But that's where we're at on the old Miata. She can rip, you know, a couple times around the block right now before she really starts getting unhappy. But you can see what she's doing. Unfortunately, we're not quite done with this saga yet.